Hi guys, welcome in this new video. Today I will explain you how I make rotate transition and aura shake. First you have to make cars clips. Now add spinning space effect. Put a keyframe at the start and at the end. At the start, put size 100, twist 100, rotate 100, filters 100, and amount 0. Put another keyframe at the middle, just change amount to 100. Now duplicate this effect 4 times as I did. At the second keyframe, put amount 82, it's to be normal.
And do this for this 2 effect. Now for the shake, add a normal shake, put keyframe at the end and at the start. At the start put 100 and 100, at the end put 0 and 0.
Now duplicate this effect.
For one of these effects, set the preset curve to bounce output. For the second shake effects, set the preset curve to cube output. And duplicate it. Add Glow 2 effect. Put a keyframe at the end, set 0, and at the start, set 100. Now duplicate it to every clip and you got it. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, maybe we can hit 500 subs soon.